Sometimes when building a device, we may need to use, for example, one NAND and one OR gate. First thought could be to add 7400 and a 7432 chips to our design, each containing 4 gates. That leaves us with 6 unused gates. Could we do any better? Today we will see how we can use only NAND gates to build all the other types of gates. The first one, the inverter, is trivial, and we mentioned it before in this series. All we have to do is just connect together both inputs of the NAND gate. The AND gate and the NAND gate are simply an inverted version of one another. Therefore, to make an AND gate from the NAND one, we just need to pop an inverter made of the second NAND gate to the first one's output. In order to make an OR gate, we need 3 NANDs, 2 working as inverters at the inputs of the third one, like that. The NOR gate requires an additional 4th NAND at the output, working as an inverter. The XOR gate requires 4 NANDs as well, arranged like this. As a final note, please be aware that such builds may not always be suitable. Each gate has its own propagation time, which is the time it takes for the output to react to changes to input levels. These times are usually in order of single nanoseconds, but when connecting a few gates in a series, we make these times add up. This may be important when multiple signals need to change synchronously or when working with high frequencies. That's it for today. In the next couple of videos, we will keep hooking multiple NAND gates together, but the results will be much more interesting. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't done it yet and leave a like. Thank you for watching.